Hello, I'm Wendy. Now I'm gonna show you again a magic. But now I'm not alone. I will be accompanied by my young brother. See? His name is Harry. Okay, Harry, I'm gonna show a magic. You wanna see? Wanna see? Huh? Say yes, say yes. See? Okay. Watch. I'm gonna use my fingers. First of all, I'm gonna use my middle finger. See? I'm gonna cut it and restore it. Watch. This is simple magic. Watch. Restore again. Hurry. See? You see? Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the other finger, my thumb now. See my thumb? See my thumb? Hurry. This one. Okay. Watch. See? Story. Nice, huh? Crazy, huh? Huh? Right? Okay. Say bye-bye to your friends there. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.